Name's Houseman, working for the City of Dixon. We're out here patching some little potholes, using some EZ Street to do that. Just folds right in there as long as you got something to hold it on all the sides, but it's pretty easy to use. Yeah, just kind of dump it in there, fill the holes, and pat her down, wheel roll it, and you're usually good to go. With the smaller holes like this, that's all we do is fill up some 5-gallon buckets, take it out, fill the holes. If we're on a major street with a lot of tore up stuff, we usually use our trailer, shovel it all in, and deal with it that way. But for jobs like this, buckets are great. Thanks, EZ Street.